What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned in to... Forget all that. You know why you're here. Everybody keep asking me about fruit-infused sea moss. And I'm like, look, if you want to do it, that's cool, but I don't... You got to be careful if you're buying it. Also, if you are doing it, you have to be careful. I'm going to explain why. I've been making it. I've been trying it. So you guys know, I always make my smoothies every day. It's kind of the same thing, but it's not. Let me explain. So if you're taking your sea moss and you're adding fruit, okay, people are doing it to make it taste better, you know, so they can eat it better, they give it to the kids, that's cool. Here's the issue. When you add the fruit to it, the fruit degrades faster than the sea moss. We all know that the sea moss can stay good for about a month, sometimes longer. But how long does the fruit last? Not that long. Fruit's only good for a few days, maybe a week at the most. So if you're not eating the sea moss every day, if you're not consuming it fast enough, that fruit is gonna start to go bad. So I tested that the other day. I infused this with banana. I infused these with mango. So I'm trying out the different ratios and all that stuff. And what happened is the other day, I did this about a week ago. The other day, yesterday, I go take some sea moss during the middle of the day. My energy's running low. I'm like, let me take a couple of scoops. And this was good when I first made it. It tastes good. You get the little bananas in there, okay? Yeah. But yesterday, kind of tasted funny. It didn't really taste right. So I still ate it though, because I'm like, whatever. It's not good. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Again, when you are adding fruit to it and you're letting it sit, how long is that fruit good for? If you're purchasing it from somewhere, when did they make it? Are they making it right away and they're shipping it out to you? Because you got to think, let's say they make it that day, which you can't verify when it was made, right? If they're making it that day, they're sending it out to you. Let's say it takes 2 or 3 days for it to reach you. Now you have to think, a lot of companies, when they sell it, they're packing it with ice and stuff like that. But is it staying cold? Because that's one thing, it matters, especially in the summertime or if you're in a hot climate. Is it staying cold? Is this stuff getting hot? The sea moss can get a little warm, that's fine. But fruit, you don't want your fruit getting hot. So you just have to take that into consideration. So I was making this to experiment and try it out, but it's been a week and I haven't been taking it consistently because I got all these other sea mosses. I'm trying a bunch of other stuff. Like I said, when I tried this yesterday, it's clear that it didn't taste right to me. I can even see it starting to separate, and it's only been a week. So in a sense, this is now no good. I can't verify how long this stuff is actually gonna last, and I essentially wasted the sea moss that I did have. Now, you have to take those things into consideration when you're making your sea moss. So, you know, it's always cool to add, you know, things to make it taste better, but think about that. If it's gonna go bad quickly, then you're wasting everything. You're not getting any use out of it. So what I would recommend is, if you're going to do it, just make daily smoothies. Or keep your sea moss raw, and as you are using it for the day, if you want to add fruit, even if it's not in a smoothie, make it, just add your fruit then and take it. But to really make big batches of it, if you're not going to eat it fast, it's not going to work out for you. So I just wanted to run that by you guys. Let me know your experiences if you've been making fruit-infused sea moss or you've been purchasing it. Let me know how it's been lasting for you. Maybe there's something I don't know. Maybe there's something else I can try. You know, let me know. But for me, I'm done with that. I'll just stick to my ways. So that's pretty much it. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. RadarPlusNutrition.com. I don't know how I almost forgot that. Get your sea moss, get your sea moss, get your sea moss. RadarPlusNutrition.com. Get your gold sea moss, get your Irish, get your multi. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support. Definitely hit that notification bell so you stay alerted next time something else pops up on the radar. Stay focused and fit, people. Salute.
Good job.
Thank you.